Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International again. Don't forget to subscribe, button's down there somewhere. Today we're going to have a look at a new book from Kagero. This one is Top Drawings number 70 on the PE2. Okay, this is Top Drawings number 70. I think currently that's the latest one on the Petlyakov PE2. And it says mask foil free. So straight into that, there's the mask foil. And basically the masking sheets probably looks like just a little black sheet to you, but I can read here there's masks for the Zvezda 148th kit and the Hobby Boss 172nd kit on there. So we start off with a bit of background, how the aircraft was actually designed by Vladimir Petlyakov when he was in prison for not working hard enough or something. And a bit of background on the development of the aircraft. And then this is what the book is all about, is these sort of scale drawings, these are 1/48th, of different versions of the aircraft. So you can see exactly where panel lines are, where the windows should be, exactly what's going on. This is the initial prototype version where it's supposed to be a high altitude fighter. And then down the bottom here we've got the actual actual PE2s. And same again, profile views through the fuselage. So if you need to make modifications, you can get the profiles right. Interior detail, profiles of propellers, different types of canopies. First 110 aircraft were like that, 110th onwards were like that, 205th onwards were like this. Different nose glazing and when they changed. Different machine gun mountings, different antennas, wooden tail, different side aerials, or underneath different windows underneath. Some profile views. There's a couple there, big one there. I'll just talk about these. Here we've got there's 4 diagrams. This is the initial experimental high altitude fighter, top view, front and back views in 1/48th. And this is the one you probably use most. This is the actual PE2 main production version. Its front panels, bombs, wing profiles. You can see where all the panel line goes, where the rivets go, aerials, and a view from the bottom, similar sort of stuff. So if you need to put panel lines back on, these diagrams will help you get things back in the right places again. Or if you need to just add panel lines that are missing. So I'll put those underneath. And there's the other profile view. Then 2 more side profiles. The PE3 at the top there. And then different engines. PE3 Heavy Fighter from 1942, 1944. Fighter versions. There's a Silnic engine at the bottom there. And then we've got 1/72nd scale drawings. And basically we go through something similar but in 1/72nd scale. And there's a whole bunch of those drawings and diagrams, again with the same different engines. Interesting trainer version there. And then the same with the back with different versions of the PE2 and exactly where things are. So overall with this, if you're sanding and you remove things, or if you're making modifications, this will let you know exactly where all the panel lines, rivets should be, what the canopies should be like, what the aerials should be like. Basically exactly what the aircraft should look like. And there's plenty of detail here. It's reasonably priced. You get some drawings you can stick on the bench in front of you, stick on the wall, and you also get, if I can pick it up, masking sheets in 1/48th and 1/72nd as well. So all pretty neat. Everything you might need for working with panel lines and fine details on your PE2. Many thanks to Kagero for sending it along for us to have a look at.